How's it going, guys? We're doing a 2021 future endeavors process of what we want to get done this year. So we just did a 2020 recap video.
So we're going to tell you what we want to accomplish and what kind of things we want to bring to you in this new year.
Yeah.
That we hope is a lot better than 2020 was for a lot of people.
Yeah.
So a big priority for us is going to be opening the cafe for the public by the summer of 2021.
Yeah, we can take a quick look at it and show you what our plans are, visualizing it, you know. Here we are in the showroom right now, which we've got the ceiling done. So we plan on getting the walls done, of course, getting the lighting up on the ceiling. This is not our lighting, of course, this is construction lighting, but we have some ideas here and there of cool lighting to do, which we want to look cool, you know, reflecting off of cars.
Yeah, we want our cars to look cool under the cool lights.
And so the cafe itself will be right here, pillar to pillar. We've showed it a couple videos before, but that room right there will be the cafe where we're serving drinks from to the public.
Yeah, and this will be seating and showroom.
Yes, and this little hallway too, the driveway will be. Within that, we gotta get the electrical done, the plumbing done, build the bar, finish the walls, get the lights up.
And then get inspected.
Yes. We obviously already did that recap of building that expanded hallway. We're going to build a balcony up there that basically the same depth as that, extends across with a spiral staircase so we can access our office upstairs.
The next thing that is a big thing that's going to happen in 2021 is Keaton is going to finish an almost finished Austin America.
Hopefully sell.
And sell it.
Yeah, I'm basically done with it, so that'll be done in like this week.
2021 goals.
Sell it to a happy person and keep them happier.
Yeah. So another big thing here is Keaton got a new project car already. Already.
That's so exciting. We haven't told anybody about that.
Tell me about it. Tell everybody.
Okay, I feel like we should go over there and look at it.
Okay.
Well,
here
we'll cut to that.
We'll wait to that.
We'll
at the
edit
end.
into it right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool. Some projects for my cars. We'll start off with this bad boy right here. This is my M3. We've had some content on it before. So there's some things I want to do. Probably clean up some bushings, get some new ones in there, maybe some new brakes. But I would like to get a new carbon fiber intake, which is pretty expensive, but it's something that they did from the factory on the CSL version, but that was only available, 1, in automatic, which is whack, and 2, only in Europe, which is also whack. For me, I live in America. Also, we have the E30. Again, there's content out there. You should definitely watch the videos, give you a quick introduction of it, and cleaned up the interior, and soon I'm gonna give you guys a little video of everything that I need just to get it clean. I have the E36. Definitely stay tuned on that one. We finished phase 1 in 2020, and phase 2 is going to be, 2.0. You know how that goes. I want to turbo it. Get a little boosty, get a little, give me some turbo noises. And then the E90, I'm going to tune it, add more boost, and get full bolt-ons on it. It's going to be powerful. Mm-hmm. That's what I plan to do for my cars. We're hoping that Alec can get all his body work done on the 240.
240Z should be ready to paint this year, in my opinion.
We're gonna help him out when he asks for help, but I think a lot of it's just waiting on parts, and it's a long process. Yeah. So he's doing it right. That's the thing. He's doing it right. Yeah. He's not skipping any steps. He's not overlooking any little things. He's walking very meticulous. Yeah. So slow and steady. It's gonna be
one that wins the race.
A beautiful winner, that's for sure. Back to the Cherry Garage. One of our goals for this year is to reach 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
On YouTube.
That'd be huge.
That's when we can actually make this a little more beneficial for us.
Yeah.
Right now, we're just trying to grow and provide good content. After we get 1,000, we actually, can make money, which is
important.
It's important because then we can afford to do more.
Yeah, do cooler cars, better cars, better content.
We also set ourselves a goal of 10,000 followers on Instagram. And with that, we want to get some sponsors. So if you got some car parts that you want to you know, advertise and show how quality they are, we'll put them on our cars.
Yeah.
We got a lot of BMWs and a MR2 and
Yeah, we got a lot of cars.
A lot of cars.
Screen time and good reviews, if it's good, of course.
another thing we want to do is host more events here.
That's a huge one. So we plan on doing a lot
Yeah.
more this year. Hopefully that the whole pandemic is ending.
Hopefully.
That
Yeah.
we'll be doing more public events, more outwards, outside of our friend group, so we can have more people in here, and doing car shows, photo shoots, car
Hopefully
events.
some charity events. You
Yeah,
know,
definitely,
we definitely want to give back and build a positive presence in our community, especially
Definitely.
St. Louis. Shout out. And we would like to get a 2-post lift.
Yeah,
That's huge. Obviously that's going to take a lot of money, but once we get that, that'll allow us to really streamline a lot of jobs.
and that's
You
gonna
get
end up
that bolt
going
and just
right there, where the mannequin is basically. So, and in the process of that, adds a little tee off of hopefully breaking that wall through to the other side, to where we have cool storage of cars.
just an important goal to get done in 2021 was get like an official garage project car that we do.
Yeah.
Not just one of my projects or one of Keaton's projects, but
A
like
cherry garage.
a community
vehicle.
garage vehicle that we buy, make really, really cool, and
Yeah.
then,
It'd be even cooler to get it as a consensus from our followers.
right,
of
that's
what
kind of
get,
what we want to do. We
it.
want to, this spoiler, that spoiler, and then we want to get
First,
input.
like this model of car.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. This
Let's
engine.
get
This
all kinds of
suspension.
input
Yeah.
from you guys and kind of build the car with you guys, and then
Yeah.
hopefully we'll be able to do some kind of giveaway, some kind of raffle, at, worst case some kind of auction, so that people who have been involved with designing it and making the choices of how it looks and performs can have a way to
Have a chance to
keep
get
it,
Yeah.
have it.
Yeah.
So that's a big goal for us that we want to do,
Yeah.
because we want to do things like that often,
Mhm.
moving forward.
Definitely.
So I think that
Basically sums up.
sums up.
Yeah. With a lot of work ahead of us. So.
Yeah, so that's 2021. Hopefully you guys are sticking around, watching all of it. Get your friends to watch it.
Yes.
Your mothers, your brothers, your sisters.
Yes. Thank you
Um,
to everyone who has been watching, especially everyone from 2019 and 2020. It's been a huge, successful growth for us. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. And I hope that we can continue exponentially growing.
Yeah, that's the goal. So thank you to our supporters, and stay tuned.
Yeah.